You don't want others to practice their religion. You just want to dominate. Wherever you are, you don't want other religion to practice theirs. Let me remind you of what your Quran says. Lakun dinikun. Let them practice their religion. So I don't know why this contradiction is affecting you. A part in your religion will say, fight the unbelievers. Another part will tell you that let them practice their religion. So which way do you want to go to now? Because you don't understand, because it's a confusion now here. Let them practice their religion. Then why are you disturbing them? So someone who is from Ilorin, the indigene of Ilorin, someone that is the real indigene of Ilorin, where do you want that person to go to practice his or her religion? So an Osun practitioner in Ilorin, if it's a time for her to practice her own Osun festival, so you want the person to go to Saudi Arabia to go and practice it, is that what you want? How on earth will you say that someone who is from